morning everyone. This is Pawan Kumar from Triple E branch first year, and my topic is about phase and phase difference. And my roll number is 21951 capital A 0215, and my subject is about electric circuits. Phase and phase difference. Learn about objects of three physical. A bite review about the waves. You may remember learning about the standing waves in the past. These wave oscillations and creating region where the distribution of the waves is almost zero. So these nodes can be created illusion that the waves is a standing still. So this is the three diagrams of A, B, C. The antinodes, nodes, and nodes and antinodes, and nodes, antinodes, nodes. So this was about the wide review. So we can remember the learning about the standing waves in the past. The review. These waves oscillated the creating region. The distribution of the waves is almost zero. These nodes can be created illusion. The standing waves is still standing. So in the comparison of the traveling waves, do not have nodes, and hence the waves is seen travel, and the alternate is displacement from its equilibrium position as time progresses. The traveling waves a crystals is seen to move or progress across the medium. So this was traveling waves, its leads and lagging points. There were some steps in this program. So let us see the more briefly about this. The equation usually displacement equation to d to the power of x and psi sin x kx is now replaced by the Vito. So these are the equations about the leading and lagging means that's what is that phase and phase difference. D of x is equal to a sin kx. So now they replace with the kx is equal to in the x of place of x minus vt for the wave transformation in opposite x direction in negative positive, and negative direction of x is equal to x plus vt. Compared to the previous equation, the new variables allow the room for us to shift the graph by the shifting its base difference. So let us see about the phase in more briefly. So the phase of wave is dependent upon the position and time, and allow the us if it's equal to describe the graph with the varieties of the different notations. So here we can see in the graph there was two colors, red and blue. So which one is leading and which one is lagging, we can't explain. By seeing the graph we can easily identify which one is leading and which one is lagging. So the blue one and red one, in this both the red one is lagging because it was going more frequencies, because the minus pi by 2 is the value, and the leading and lagging we can say the phase differences. In between the red and blue phase, the pi is equal to 90 degrees is the leading degree. So the phase of wave is dependent upon the position and allow the flexible to describe the graph and varieties of the different notations. So we can call them as cos pi by t, cos omega t, and red one is cos omega t and sin blue one is sin omega t. Like this, theta is equal to omega t or the values of this. So phase difference, the displacement is equal to a to minus a. Here we can take a cosine value to be over reference. The sine wave can be described as being ahead of cosine value by the pi by 2. This means that there is a phase difference of pi by 2 between the two waves. The phase difference is the difference between the phase at the two positions at the same time. Oscillations can be have phase differences of 2 multiple of pi. However, if they have a phase differences of entire 0 or 2 pi, they are said to be in phase difference. This is about the phase differences and difference between phases. So here in this equation we can briefly explain means the x is the usual displacement equations and the e to the power of x means d of x is equal to a sine of kx is now replaced with k of dt for the wave traveling in the positive of x direction. So there will have some compared to the previous equation, the new variables allows the row of us to shift the graph by shifting its by phase differences. Mm. And this is the equation about the x is equal to usual displacement equations. There was d to the power of x is replacements. A by review and you may remember this in the comparison of traveling of the way do not have nodes. The wave do not have nodes and hence the wave seemed traveling to the alternates and displacement from its equilibrium position as to be time and you are faithfully this is M from Tribly branch. Thank you.